Coming up in this video, I've got a daiquiri with a massive twist, and it is massive. I've got vanilla syrup, Monin's vanilla syrup, and I've got pineapple in there, but you're gonna wanna stay tuned for this. Welcome back, Drinkstuff fans. As I've just said, I'm focusing on Monin's vanilla syrup in this video. I've created a cocktail and I have tasted it when I was kind of playing about. There is a massive twist in this. It's a daiquiri, purely and simply because I don't know what I've not used rum, and I don't know what the base equivalent of that is called. There might be a name, there might be a name, it might not be a name, I don't know. I've just called it a daiquiri, but I've swapped out the rum. This is absolutely proper up my street. 4 ingredients, that's all there is. The base spirit that I've used, there's just something about it that gives it a kind of different, totally different character. And it's going to appeal to a lot of you. I think this is absolutely stunning. Booze forward, big vanilla notes, big pineapple notes, but you do get the undercurrents of the booze that's coming in. So let's get on and show you how to make it. Right, let's quickly talk you through the ingredients for this one. As you might, the eagle-eyed, there's a little twist coming. So obviously we've got our vanilla syrup there, obviously, because that's what the video's about. Because I'm all about inspiration. Who says that, all right, I haven't got another name for it, so technically a daiquiri is rum. But who says, give it another name? I don't know what the brandy version of a daiquiri is. I don't think there is one, to be fair, but there probably is. But why not? I promise you it works a treat. So I've gone for my favourite brandy, I've gone for some lime juice, and I've gone for some pineapple juice. Very, very simple 4 ingredient cocktail. Shaken cocktail, so let's just dive straight in. So first, this is absolutely gorgeous brandy. Love this. Cognac, brandy, whatever you fancy. Of course, use rum if you want to be authentic and make a proper daiquiri. But I'm here to give you inspiration and show you what works and show you what doesn't work. And to be fair, there isn't much that doesn't work. So we're going for 60 ml double bubble of brandy, cognac. If you want to be posh, Armagnac, whatever. Tasty, tasty, tasty. Brandy, and if you didn't know it, brandy is actually my favourite spirit. But I love it neat, and I don't often play with it in cocktails too much, but I absolutely love it neat. But so rum would be my cocktail kind of, and long drink, but brandy neat. Oh, but it's so versatile, it works a treat. So we're going sort of standard daiquiri ratios for this, to be fair. So 2 1/2. So I'm going 30 ml of lime juice in here. So an ounce of lime juice. So a double shot of booze, single shot of lime juice, half a shot of your sweetener, in this case a vanilla sugar syrup, so 15 ml, half an ounce of vanilla. Oh, I don't know, brandy and vanilla, they do work really, really well together. So we've got that, and then final ingredient, I've got some proper pressed pineapple juice. Supermarket brands are fine. This is stunning, cheap as chips, nothing but 6 pineapples in there. It will taste a lot better than the stuff from concentrate. Ignore the honestly, trust me, just go for the proper pressed stuff. It is phenomenal. So I'm going for just 30 ml in here. So it will be quite a short drink once we've done that, but it's a tasty drink. So we're just going to ice this up. As always, plenty of ice, and then give it a good, hard, fast shake. How many seconds? You know, don't you? You know. Right. All done. All done. Right. I'm going to go for this one. I love this glass. I was toying with a little Nick and Nora, because I think that'll fit perfectly in there, but we'll go for a slightly bigger. It's called a Tiki Mai Tai glass from Drinkstuff. Get that. And I'm going to double strain. So get rid of all the little tiny shards of ice. The pineapple juice, the pressed pineapple juice, will give you that sort of lovely frothage on top. Oh, that is so good. So good. And then garnish, obviously, little pineapple wedge. If you want even more sort of Monin inspiration, Monin cocktail inspiration, dive into one of those playlists that's popping up on screen. As always, if you like me and if you like the video, big old thumbs up. If you don't want to miss any of our future content, make sure you subscribe to the channel.